This is Caitlin's Kung Fu dance.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Get out of here, Ants.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Ants behind you. Come on, move, Caitlin. Don't run away. He just ran from a girl.
What's that? And that's my Kung Fu. Hold on, I got one with me.
Ow.
Hold on, I'm
You need to settle down.
Shut up, Chet. What you doing?
Hey, Chet, say what's up. No, you're gonna say it in a weird voice.
What's up?
What's up?
Say what's up, baby.
What's up, baby?
It's a good thing I just recorded.